Yo guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here from Binary Bot Real Account. So today guys, it's all about day 3 of our big 75 or Deriv robot guys. It trades on Boom 500 and big 75 and it's going pretty well. So like I said, today is day 3. I should have done this video yesterday, but we were out enjoying the weekend, drinking, on the beach, chilling. You know what we gotta do. We gotta mix it up sometimes. So if you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, guys. We have tons of videos always releasing and cool money making tricks on this channel, alright, that you can't miss out on. So jumping right into the video, today is day 3. So what we're going to do right now is head over to a MetaTrader 5. And just so you guys can understand how powerful this robot is, we're going to go ahead and look at each day individually. Alright, so right now we're going to go to custom period and we're going to start from the 18th. Because we started on Friday running this robot. So for the 18th, day 1 there, we went and accumulated an amount of $108. So that's day 1, closing off with $108 profit. I told you guys this is like $100 a day robot, so it will make you minimum $100 a day. Alright, so that was day 1, going on to day 2. And if I'm moving a bit fast, guys, it's just because I want to keep this video real short. YouTube kind of likes it that way, so don't mind. I'll show you guys everything. So looking at day 19, let's see here. Alright, so day 19, day 2, we can see that we made a total of $198 there profit, almost making double what we made there on day 1. So we do see a few losses here on Boom 500, but also we can also see profits rolling in, huger profits, just mitigating those losses and recovering your account. Alright, like I said, very powerful robot. So this was supposedly Saturday. Alright, so expect some turbulence, possible turbulence with this robot on weekends, guys. That's just how Deriv is. They like to throw their manipulations most over the weekends. So, expect that. But our robot was still powerful enough to recover from that and doubled our initial capital there from day 1. So going to day 3, let's take a look at day 3, which was yesterday, Sunday the 20th. Let's go ahead and look at the profits for that. And it says here we made another total of $189, a little bit under $10 there from the previous day. But scrolling through, everything looks good and the robot is working as it should. So last but not least, let's go ahead and just look at what today has been bringing in so far. It's a fairly new day, fresh into the day. It's just 10 a.m. So let's see what it has accumulated so far. Right now I'm seeing an amount of $2, guys. So very early into the day, not too bad. As long as we're still seeing those profits rolling in, we should have nothing to worry about. But what I want to do now for you guys is just show an accumulation of the total profit from the 18th to the 21th, and let's see what is the total amount using our system. Wow. So from the 18th to the 21th, let's call it like 4 days there. Alright, day 4. Alright, we've made a staggering total of $514.94 using our robot, guys. This is a Deriv killer. And again, if you want access to this, guys, I'll leave the links in the description. Send me a message on Telegram. I'll be more than happy just to get back to you. We've been getting terrific feedback from our customers. This has been just growing accounts, and trust me, like I said, and the title of this video said, this is a life changer, guys. Send us a message over on Telegram. Until then, stay safe. I'm out. Stay tuned for day 4. Hit that subscribe button, guys.